What's up, guys? Tony here from Learn Auto Body and Paint. Mr. Dave T sent in a question about his 1980 Pontiac Grand Prix T-Top. Oh my God, what a nice car. I should actually pull that up for you guys really quickly on Google so you know what he's talking about, because he didn't follow instructions and send in a picture. Here it is. This baby right here. It's a nice little car. Classic for sure. Classic for sure. I wish I had one of these. This is a nice. Okay, so now that we know what the car looks like, let's head back over here. T-Top is getting ready for repaint because I totally screwed up the large metal flake in the first clear coat. I have to cut back to factory size flake, but any tips to get a nice even coverage without blobs and streaks would be awesome. I'm most concerned about matching flake around corners and between panels. I have car done in cherry red metallic, but want to punch it up with gold flake in a clear coat. Thanks for all your awesome and your amazing trainings. Dave T. Mr. Torrance. So, Mr. Torrance, I'm not sure what size flake you're using, a jumbo flake or a mini flake or a medium flake, whatever size you're using, right? Just remember that 0.808 millimeter tip size. Am I getting the sizing? Yeah. You can shoot out of a 1.3 to 1.4 tip size in flake carrier or in your clear coat, no problem. If you're using a bigger flake, like a jumbo flake, you're going to want to basically shoot it on coming with probably a 1.8 tip size. Okay, so here are some tricks what you could do to help the flake lay in and bury in. If you're doing jumbo flake, I would have the whole panel prepped up, okay, ready for your flake, okay, but instead of using a carrier, which is a clear base coat, right, like a PPG DBC, if you go to Zula.com and you click on specialty products under premium paint, it's not there. It's got to be here though. Clear coat kits. They basically have a carrier. A clear, hold on, let me see. It's got to be in here. Binder, here we go. Binder. God, it's not there. Reducers, maybe? Hardener? Clear coat? It's got to be in here. It's probably on page 2. Sorry, guys, it's taking a little longer than I wanted. Clear coat. I don't see it. Maybe they don't have it at this point. I thought they did. Here it is, right here. Clear inner coat carrier. You could use something like this to draw your flake in, but if you're doing jumbo flake, I recommend this for like mini and medium flake. But if you're using like a jumbo flake, what I like to do, I haven't done a lot of it lately, but is to lay a coat of clear, a heavy coat of clear on your panel first, okay? Then I would have your clear, another batch of, okay, just clear coat only. Then I would have another batch of clear with your flake in it, with your jumbo flake. Then I would lay that on top till you get your desired coverage, okay, on one coat, right? You can keep passing it, crisscross it, get it the way you want, okay? If you feel like you need more, then let it flash, then give it more, okay? That's going to help it give you a clear coat cushion. Put your flake on top so the pointy edges or whatever actually get buried into it. And then after you let that flash, after you put your jumbo flake clear coat with clear coat in it, right? Either you do 1, 2, or 3 coats, whatever you desire to do, then let that flash, then you cover all of that with plain clear coat again. So that's kind of like making a clear coat cushion bed, dropping your flakes with clear, and then putting more clear coat on top of it, of course with proper flash times. Okay, that works with jumbo flake. If you're doing a medium flake, you could put it in your clear coat and just blast it, or you can use a carrier, which is basically the clear base coat, and then just blow it out to how you like it, and then put two coats of clear coat, maybe 3 coats of clear coat. With that method, you might need to flow coat it. You might even need to flow coat the other way, right? Flow coating always is basically just after everything cures with your flake and your clear coats, basically rubbing it down with 800 grit, getting it flat, getting it matte, and then dropping 2 more heavy coats of clear coat on it. And this is a few days after it cures, right? You could do it like within the week or 2 weeks later or a month later, whatever you decide to do. You can always flow coat your clear coat paint jobs. Hopefully that helps. It's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Hopefully I gave you a visual. It's hard for me to really get in the shop and show you right now because I'm not working on a metal flake project. But if you're a VIP, check out the tractor project that I did candy with metal flake. I'm sure those videos will help you out because I did flow coat that as well. And we have that. I think that project is like 6 or 7 hours of video content, step by step on how I did it. All right, guys, so if you guys want to learn more as well, check out LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Again, don't forget to hit up here if you're on mobile to get that free 100-page auto body, revised auto body guide, as well as down here if you're on YouTube desktop, right? Click down below. I shouldn't be using, there we go, that's a better color. That's a better color, guys. That's a better color. All right, go down below and grab your free guide. And don't forget to check out VIP as well. Talk soon. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you soon.